Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time, and usually we will have the automatic time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options, and now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change it. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, and it will be immediately applied. Let's tap on the time zone because we can also change it, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose, so simply find yours and tap on it. And I think I didn't do that. Okay, for example this one, whatever. And as you can see, the time zone will be immediately set, however it will also affect the time. Be aware about that. Here you can customize the dual clock, so basically you can decide whether you want to use it or not. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and basically your device will display two different clocks with the hour from the place you're currently in and the second place of your choice. Here we've got also the time format. We can change it. Currently we are using 24-hour one. We can use 12-hour one. Simply tap on this option. And basically this is the whole customization, the manual customization of date and time. You can always go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.